Hello everyone. Did you know that global optimization is the process of finding the best possible solution, the global optimum, to a mathematical problem or objective function across all feasible solutions rather than just a local optimum that may appear optimal within a limited region? It aims to determine the absolute minimum or maximum value of the objective function, often in complex, nonlinear, or multidimensional spaces where multiple local optima exist. Global optimization techniques, such as evolutionary algorithms, simulated annealing, and branch and bound methods, are widely used in engineering, economics, machine learning, and design optimization to ensure truly optimal outcomes in challenging real-world problems. What do you think about the global optimization? Do you want to use this technique in your research? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. And see you in the next video.